Oblique tongue reversing. Install the lock body. During installation, the pin in the square steel should be aligned with the through hole on the side of the base. Press down on the square steel after holding down the pin to insert the pin into the through hole. After installation, rotate the square steel solid seat to make the arrow facing downwards. Install the connecting column on the outer panel. Handle reversing. Connect the wire. Use long screws at the bottom. Short screw for upper end. Install battery. Install battery cover. Handle function inspection. Password unlocking inspection. Card unlocking inspection. Key unlocking inspection.